Okay, so this is a little quick tutorial on how to use this rhythm game that I created on Scratch. So basically, the controls are pretty simple. You can edit them or you can change them in here. But basically, this is one-handed controls. So you use Z, X, C, and V. You could go to A, S, K, and L, which are split controls. Two hands. Those are the only two control options right now. I could add more if you guys really want me to, but yeah, so anyways, this kind of to help you figure out how to mainly edit and make your own level. So basically just create your own version of this game, like have it saved somewhere, you can remix it, I don't really care. Just all you need to know is that you go to Sound Manager, you go to Sounds, and then you add the MP3 you want. So this is if you want to make your own level. So I'm going to upload, let me just do Snowblind by All 5, classic, banger. So you just put that in there, and then now you have this, and then you can rename this whatever you want as long as you have this exact name copied. And then you go into the code, just clone this right here. So before making the level, clone this block. Let me delete the message there. And then just put that down here along with this code. And then let me drag this down. And then when you want to, that's all you have to do beforehand. So then just start the game again, go to edit, or not play, go to edit, and then your song should show up. I didn't, wait, hold on. Did I copy this whole thing right? I did, I guess. Guess it just cuts off there. But yeah, you basically select your level, and then you can type the BPM of the song. I don't know the beats per minute of this song, so I'm going to just say like 140 or something. And then you can type or time the offset. So the offset is basically where the song actually starts. So like this helps so that you could have the rhythm absolutely perfect. You can type it, which is just you type in the amount of seconds in that the song starts. So if the song starts at 4 seconds, then you type 4, which I'm gonna do. Time is basically it plays the song for you, and then you'd press space when the song starts. So that's like an easier way to do it, but typing is faster if you already know when the song starts. So let's say it's 4 seconds. You can make it like 4.2 or something. Just make sure you're precise. Now this is the level editor. So this number right here is the note that you're on. So the white bar is a full note, the red bar is a half note, and the blue bars are quarter notes. And you basically just click to place it in each column. So like the first note's gonna come on the left column, and then at the 1.5 note it'll come on the column, this column. And then you can also click this to go to a note. So if you know where the bass drop is, like if the bass drop's at like 100 or something, then you just go to note 100. Actually I haven't created that many, but basically it creates, once you, like, let's say I place a note here, once you have a note there, then you could go to that note. So I could go to note like 4 or something, and there's my note that I placed. So yeah, once you're done with your level, just click export, and then it gives you a string. So this is really short because of how short the level is, but basically just copy that entire string. You'll probably need to either triple click it, or if you're in the editor like me, just click on it once and it'll highlight the whole thing. But yeah, just copy it, and then when you're done, just right click this and duplicate it, and then just paste the level data into here, and then just add that. Make sure that these are on this like matching column. So see how this is the third item in the song list? Make sure that this is also the third item in the level data list. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Now if you start the game again, you can go play, you could select your level. I'm not going to play it because I didn't time it with the song at all. I didn't, try to. I just wanted to show you guys. But yeah, that's how you'd make a level. And then if you want to share a level, all you got to do is link where you got the MP3 from. So let's say I got this song, I'd copy it, go to YouTube to MP3. I could just turn this into an MP3 right here. And if I convert, then I should be able to download it. So basically just link whatever URL you got the song from. Make sure it's the exact URL, because sometimes like if there's a different YouTube video that uses the same song, it might be a slightly different offset, so that might ruin the timing for other people. But basically just make sure you have the same MP3. So if you want to share your project, just go into the comments, put in the URL to get the MP3, and then paste the string that you got when you exported. And then if you want to grab a level from the comment section, then all you do is the reverse. So you go to their link that they put, and then get the MP3. Add the MP3 into the Sound Manager. Everything that you have to do, by the way, is in this Sound Manager sprite. But basically, you'd add the MP3 here, and then you just go into the code, and then add the name to this list. So, whatever it was, Zelda Song Storms or whatever. And then you would add the level data, which is, you got it from the comment section. So you just highlight that and copy paste it in there. And yeah, if the level's good enough, I'll put it as its own custom. I'll put it as like one of the official levels, and people can get high scores for that. So these are all my high scores if you ever want to try and beat them. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll definitely update this game more. I might create some more levels if I feel like it. It's kind of hard to create levels because in Scratch, you can't actually play a song at a specific point other than the start. So I can't play a song at halfway. So that's why the level editor is kind of tough to work with, because you kind of have to know what note you're on. Like, you can't really check using the song. But yeah, that's basically how you use the rhythm game. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, comment. There's a comment section once I upload this, and then yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. If you find any bugs too, please let me know, because I've tried my best to keep it bug free, but there'll probably be some. And I just really want this to be as polished as possible. My main goal is to just make this like, the first rhythm game on the proper rhythm game on Scratch. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. So yeah.